Is Windows automatically compressing your files and slowing things down? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to stop Windows 10 and 11 from compressing your files, so everything runs fast and stays uncompressed. Solution 1. Turn off drive compression. First, open File Explorer. Right-click on your C drive. Now uncheck the option that says, Compress this drive to save disk space. Click Apply and then click OK. This will stop Windows from automatically compressing your files. Solution 2. Repair Windows using installation media. Now let's try another fix. Open your browser and search for Windows 11 installation media. Open the second link from the search results. Click Download. Then click Save As. And again click Save. Once the media creation tool finishes downloading, open it. Click Yes. Then click Accept. And again click Yes if asked. Choose whether you want a USB or an ISO file, then click Next. Choose where to save it and click Save. Now just wait for the process to complete. This helps repair system files and can stop Windows from compressing your files automatically.